Welcome back to Where You Live. I'm Mary Ruth Harris. We are now in Campbell River at the North Island College campus, which is shared with Timberline Secondary. Joining me is Vice President Randall Heidt, Vice President of Strategic Initiatives, and the new build is part of that. This is going to be amazing.
It really is. It's transforming the entire college experience in Campbell River. It's the biggest investment really that the college has had other than the original build.
Okay, so explain kind of what we're looking at here. This is the outline.
Yeah, basically there's 5 new buildings. There's 100,000 square feet of new and renovated space. The 5 new buildings, basically there's the 100 building here, and that's the new heavy-duty mechanic shop. So the heavy-duty mechanic building will be coming down from our Vigar Road campus, as will the aircraft structures program. And so both of these are going to come down here. It allows students to have all of the access to tutors and the library and computers and the cafeteria, all those things that they don't have there now. There's also going to be some improved lockers and showers and other things for students here in the 300 block. The one that most people are going to see if they're not in those programs is the 200 block. And this is going to be just a fascinating, beautiful new space of a new cafeteria, a new bistro restaurant, new kitchen for the pro cook students.
Because you've got the chef program.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
right?
get it.
So they're going to have a new kitchen. There's going to be a new restaurant there. There's going to be beautiful open glass spaces, lounges, student common area for students.
Is it open to the public?
Yeah, there's going to be places for the public, and there might even be boardrooms and some other things that the public might be able to rent out for meetings and things like that.
Great.
And there's going to be a great lounge area there, and there's going to be breakout rooms in the library and learning commons as well for small meetings.
Now, what's this 500 way over here?
Yeah, so this is really exciting. This is a new trade shop for Timberline Secondary School. So the high school is going to benefit from this as well, and they're going to get new trade shops just off where the gym area is and the field here.
All right. What's the red line?
Yeah, that's a great question. So the red line, we're kind of calling this our duplex model. So right now we're in a single family dwelling. All of the high school students and the college students are in the same hallways. This project is going to create a duplex model. The high school is going to have their space and the college is going to have its space. And this red line shows where that space is. So this side, everything on this side of the red line is going to be North Island College, and everything on this side of the red line is going to be Timberline Secondary.
Okay. All right. So why? Why does that matter?
That's a great question. You know, it's important to both the high school students and the college. You need to have a college experience here, a private college adult learning environment experience. And the high school students deserve their own space as well. And so, you know, I think originally when they did this, they thought, wouldn't it be great for high school students to be able to go to the same college that they went to high school? It's not super popular. And so they, you know what, this is going to be much, much better. And it's really going to, for the first time ever in Campbell River, there's going to be a unique college. You're going to know when you're in the college building, and you're going to know when you're in the high school.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, that sounds fabulous. What is the timeline?
So it's going to kind of happen in phases. There's going to be some things that are going to happen around the spring. And so, for example, the heavy-duty mechanic building, this gives us a lot of space because we want to have minimal disruption for students. So what if we build this building, and rather than bring that program down right away, we maybe move the library in there, and so they can work on this new building and everything else and still have a place for students to go. So it's going to kind of happen in phases over the next year or two before everything's complete, and it's going to be absolutely fabulous and exciting for Campbell River once it's done.
So what is the actual drop dead, totally done ribbon cutting date?
I think everything will probably be moved down here for September 2019 in terms of all of the programs.
Oh, okay. So about 2 years from right now.
Yeah, I think everything will probably be done there. It'll be phased in, but it could be sooner.
That's awesome. Well, Randall, thank you so much. Really appreciate your time on this. This is amazing. So you're watching Where You Live. Stay right where you are. We will be right back. Production assistant training, lighting film training, grip film training, and carpentry and set construction. Any of those ring a bell? You could do one of those 4 things. You can train for it here at North Island College. Randall Heidt is the Vice President of Strategic Initiatives. These programs are in need so badly right now. The BC film industry has exploded.
Yeah, you're right. There's a recent investment in the studios, and they need trained crew people. So this is a direct pathway into jobs, into a very exciting growing industry, not only in Vancouver Island, but the world.
That's right. Now, you were mentioning the cost. Right now, it's only $275 a course.
It's absolutely
What?
amazing. Yeah, exactly. We got some government funding that allowed us to offer this for the first offering at unbelievable rates. It's
Okay.
probably about 90% off, I would guess, of what the actual cost will be if these are picked up long term.
Okay. All right. So if you want to know, go to the North Island College website and look for this information. If you are looking for an instant in to a new job and career, this is it. Some of these programs are only like 8 weeks long.
Yeah, 4 weeks long,
4
as
weeks
little
long,
as that.
okay.
Yeah, so this is a great way to get trained quickly, get into a growing industry, maybe take a few courses at this price. I know I would for sure, and then be able to get into an industry, give your chance at a whole bunch of different jobs.
Amazing. Okay. So if they want more information, where do they go?
nic.bc.ca.
All right. There you go. So if you want the more information, check out that website. Thank you so much for watching Where You Live. I'm Mary Ruth Harris. Thanks for joining us. We'll be right back.